Copywriting is a vital part of online marketing, and copywriting skills are a must-have for anyone who wants to be successful in the online world. Copywriters need to know how to write copy that will convince people to purchase products or sign up for services. In this video, we'll take a look at 10 copywriting basics that you should keep in mind as you work on your copy. Before getting into the topic, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my future videos. If you're interested in making your copywriting tasks 5 times easier, I highly recommend you to check out this AI copywriting software by clicking the first link in the description. You can get started for free using my 10,000 credits. This is your AI writing assistant that makes it fast and easy to write content for your blog, social media, website copy, and more. Alright, let's get into today's video. Here are the 10 copywriting basics. Number 1. Know your audience. The first and most important thing to know about copywriting is knowing your audience. You need to understand what they want, why they are interested in the product you are selling, and how you can make them believe that they need it right now. Say, for example, you are trying to sell a weight loss product. Your potential customers want to lose some pounds, but they need the right information in order for it to work. You have to provide all of that knowledge by being an expert on this topic and knowing what people are looking for when they're searching online. Number 2. Know your message. The next thing you have to do is take a look at what you want your potential customers to know. What are the things that they need in order for them to believe this product will work? Maybe it's showing how much weight was lost from previous customer testimonials or explaining why these ingredients have been proven to help with losing weight. Whatever it may be, knowing your message and knowing how you want to convey that information will allow your customers to see value in the product. Number 3. Be persuasive with benefits over features. People don't buy products because of what they are, they buy them for what those things can do for them. The more benefits a customer sees from using your product or service, the more likely they are to purchase it. For example, you wouldn't buy a new watch because the band is made out of stainless steel and has an invisible face so that nobody can see what time it is unless you tell them. However, people would be more inclined to buy if they know that this product will make them look better at their job because the stainless steel matches with every outfit they wear. Number 4. Use emotional triggers and pain points. People buy when they feel like buying, not because it's a good deal or purchase. The more you can make your potential customers relate to how your product will solve their problems or relieve them from emotional distress, the more likely they are to become your customer. For example, if you are selling a weight loss product, offering testimonials from previous users will help them visualize that the product works and they can lose weight too. This emotional trigger is much more powerful than just saying it's scientifically proven to work. Number 5. Include social proof. Social proof is another powerful tool that you can use to make customers feel more confident about your product. This includes things like testimonials, customer reviews, and case studies from people who have already purchased the product. Number 6. Upsell or cross-sell. The numbers are in favor of upselling. According to a survey conducted by Marketing Sherpa, companies that use the cross-sell approach had an average increase of 20% in sales, while those who focused on upselling saw an increase of 30%. Number 7. Create a sense of urgency. People like to feel like they are part of something special, and creating a sense of urgency makes them want your product even more. This can be done by offering limited time deals or having an expiring coupon code. This will not only encourage customers who have been thinking about buying, but also those that may have never heard about it before as well. Number 8. Make sure there is a clear call to action. At the end of your blog post, you need to let readers know what they should do next. This is where you want them to click on a link that will lead them through your sales funnel and eventually get them to purchase from you. The more specific this call to action is, the better chance there is for customers to take action right away. Number 9. Be consistent with your practice. Another important thing you have to keep in mind is that your writing needs to be consistent. Whether it's the tone of voice, style of copywriting, or call to action button colors. Everything should give readers a sense of familiarity so they know exactly what results and they are going to get if they purchase from you. Number 10. Keep your writing simple and easy to understand. All of this information can be overwhelming, but there is a way that you can make it easier for readers to digest. Try breaking up the copywriting section into smaller chunks so readers know where one topic ends and another begins. This will help them process all of the information and also allow them to go back and reread something if they are unsure. Now that you know these 10 basics of copywriting, it's time to put them into practice. Use this helpful guide in order to get started on writing great content for your website today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please be sure to share it with your friends or anyone else who would find this information useful.